This is the elevator at the Mainstay Suites in Greenville.
And somebody has hiccups. Is it TJElevatorfan?
Dad.
Hi. Does Dad try to get in trouble sometimes in these elevators?
Okay, get the phone. Down there. Yep.
Don't push it.
He didn't know how to open it.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of dark down there.
Yeah. I didn't know if it would be one that would be hard to pull.
This one, what was it?
No, we've had several though that have been hard to pull. Watch slide go out?
There it goes. That's it.
Okay. Next date. Going down the left. Yep. Okay.
Nice paneling on the walls.